Now let's dive into what the driver pulled over to check the flat tire truly means in an idiomatic sense. Do you recall the literal meaning from our quiz? Well, metaphorically, it means to pause an activity or a journey to address an unexpected, often minor but necessary problem before you can continue. It's about taking a crucial break to deal with an issue that has suddenly arisen, preventing further progress until it's resolved. It highlights the importance of addressing problems promptly. To help you understand the idiom, let's take a look at a short dialogue between two people.
We're so close to finishing this big project, but I just hit a major bug.
Sounds like we need to pull over to check the flat tire on this one.
Pull over? Are you saying we should physically stop working and go check our cars?
Not literally, Mike. It's an idiom for pausing to fix an unexpected problem. Welcome to our idiom challenge. Today's idiom is the driver pulled over to check the flat tire. We want you to guess its original meaning. Was it literally stopping a vehicle to inspect a deflated tire, taking an unscheduled coffee break during a long drive, or hanging topics abruptly in a conversation or meeting? Take a moment to think. Here's a hint. Think about unexpected delays that halt a journey. What's your best guess? We'll reveal the answer soon. The correct answer is literally stopping a vehicle to inspect a deflated tire. This idiom originates from the very real and common experience of car owners in the early days of motoring. When a vehicle gets a flat tire, the driver must literally pull over to the side of the road and stop to check and fix it before continuing their journey. This literal action of halting progress to deal with an unforeseen problem then became a metaphor for any situation where a delay is required to fix an unexpected issue. Let's explore how to use this idiom with some real-world examples. First, consider this. Our team was making great progress, but we had to pull over to check the flat tire when the main server crashed. Here, pull over to check the flat tire perfectly describes the situation where a significant technical problem caused an unavoidable halt in the team's workflow. They couldn't continue until the server issue was resolved. Now for our second example, before we can finalize the presentation, we need to pull over to check the flat tire and fix that data inconsistency. In this scenario, the flat tire is the data inconsistency. It's a critical flaw that needs to be addressed before the presentation can be completed. Both examples show how the idiom refers to a necessary pause to fix an unexpected problem.
Let's test your understanding of related expressions. We have 4 phrases here: hit a snag, full steam ahead, hiccup, and smooth sailing. And you identify which 2 expressions are similar in meaning to the driver pulled over to check the flat tire. Remember, our idiom is about pausing for an unexpected problem. Hit a snag means to encounter an unexpected difficulty. Full steam ahead means to proceed with maximum speed. Hiccup refers to a minor, temporary problem. Smooth sailing means everything is going well. Think carefully about which 2 fit best. The 2 similar expressions are hit a snag and hiccup. Hit a snag is quite similar as it means to encounter an unexpected difficulty or problem that causes a delay, much like needing to pull over to check the flat tire. A hiccup refers to a minor temporary problem or setback, which often requires a brief pause to resolve. While a hiccup is generally less severe than a flat tire situation, both imply an unexpected interruption. Full steam ahead and smooth sailing, on the other hand, indicate continuous progress and an absence of problems, making them dissimilar. To sum up, the driver pulled over to check the flat tire means to pause an activity or journey to address an unexpected but necessary problem before continuing. It draws its meaning from the literal act of stopping a car to fix a deflated tire, illustrating how a sudden issue can bring progress to a halt. Remember, this idiom is perfect for situations where you encounter an unforeseen obstacle that demands your immediate attention, requiring you to momentarily step back, fix the issue, and then resume your course. Keep an eye out for those flat tires in your projects. If you have any idioms you'd like to study, please leave them in the comments.